Teddy, what are you doing? You're coloring up there?
What are you coloring?
For Grandma?
Grandma, what are you coloring for Grandma?
A picture?
What are you drawing? What are you drawing? You drawing circles? Who are you making a picture for?
It's
I thought
Daddy.
this was for Grandma. This is Grandma's? What's
Color more.
Okay, Daddy, take this one off. Who should he give this one? Should he give this to Grandma or Daddy? This is for you? Oh, it's Mommy's. Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you,
Can you
honey.
draw one for Grandma now? Who are you drawing for? Grandma. And what are you drawing?
You draw real hard.
Whoa, what did you draw?